So, you guys been having a little trouble with starting up your YouTube channel, huh? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm AJ. Today, I'll show you what you need to do. Okay, for those who have been recording with their camera or phone, it's easy to do this. Just plug your phone in to the PC, or if you have the camera plug-in, then do that. Now, should be somewhere in the files. It could be in this PC or this drive you have it set to. This might most likely be this PC videos. Okay, now here's what you need. It's pretty much easy. You download Shotcut. It'll pop up like this. And click on the newest releases. Just go to download. If your computer is able to take 64 bits, use that. If it's able to take 32 bits, use that. You want to click on this, then press run, and it'll download. Now, once you have that download, open up Shotcut. I'm going to give you a little demonstration on what will happen. But what I do is usually how to edit your videos. Just click on them. So I got these two separated. They're from this one. So click on this, trim. Okay. The blue line's where you basically mark it. So you can move that to where you have the blue line marked. That's where it'll be ending. Now, this line right here, that will be all cut out. Press save as. Now they'll pop this up. Now I'll have trim. Just press save and boom. Wait for the bar to download. Like here. You can go fast. You can go slow. You can even go medium speed. This depends on how powerful your PC is. Okay, just exit out. Go to where you have that saved. Just my YouTube file. Here. It's basically where I have all my works I did in Shotcut. It's pretty much easy. Now, let's see I have Shotcut open. Go and press on timeline. Now I can do this one of two ways. Can open file. Go to the video you're looking for. Drag that down. Or want to click on where the little marks at, menu, and add video track. Then, or you can do it like this. Click and drag. Simple as that. Now, if you're done with your little edits, merging got all the videos you want, I'm gonna press export file. I'll have a little bar up here, show ya. all of this. One. And press save. See that little bar up here? It'll be downloading. Time. This will be where the time's at, so you can get better understanding of how many minutes it'll take. Now mine's only taken a little over 5 minutes. And yeah, that's basically all you want to do. Okay, so if you enjoyed this little tutorial, leave a like, subscribe. If you don't understand something, just let me know. Now, little updates here. I got a new schedule I'm going to keep to. Now on Mondays, it'll be Gmod with either me or one of my special guests, Boot Bomb or Adar. Tuesdays can be either Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, Story Mode, or Arcade Mode. Wednesdays will be my audio surf videos. Stay tuned for that. Now Thursdays, got a new Let's Play coming, starting next Wednesday. And Fridays, he'll be either coming this Friday or next Friday. And Saturday and Sundays are my fun days, as we are going to be playing Devil May Cry. Be kind of like a walkthrough for every mission, starting from 1st all the way to 3rd. So yeah, don't forget to check down the description for my social media. And shouts to Boot Bomb, since this is basically meant for him, but it can be for you too. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.